All right, so I did plant bamboo last weekend. First time down there, it was a ton of fun. Had some really good thick mud. Everyone complained it was dry. I was happy because it wasn't all watery like Holopal. The Pioneer did awesome. It was able to back out of some holes it had no business being in. Pulled out a ton of people. I never got stuck in this video. This is the part one, like the day ride, side-by-sides, foilers, etc. Part two is all in the truck pit, and I did go in the truck pit and get stuck and break an axle and stuff. So that'll be part two, as well as me trying to pull out trucks and other dumb things. But the Pioneer was an awesome recovery vehicle, and check out how well the tires work in this video. I mean, it's pretty amazing the difference between these tires and everything else. So I totally should have been stuck here, and I was totally high-centered, thick, goopy mud, and I was able to back out of it and hit it again in a lower gear and make it through it. These tires just clean out and pull in reverse like nothing else. Can't even see the portal. Standing up on you. As usual, I got a ton of footage of random people in this video, so if you know these guys, send them the link so they can get the footage of their machine. That's been stuck for years. That's fucking bent, man. Look at the fatties! Oh no! On the power! Oh, it's doing it! Easy day.